Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Clan. Today we'll be talking about Cosmos. We'll be going through Cosmos's use cases, its current market performance, and the latest Cosmos news headlines. So what is Cosmos? Cosmos calls itself the most customizable, scalable, powerful, and interoperable ecosystem of connecting blockchains. It's a decentralized network of independent blockchains powered by Tendermint and other Byzantine fault-tolerant algorithms. The Cosmos network has the potential to become the internet of blockchains and is also called the Cosmos Hub. Cosmos is the first blockchain to be launched on the Cosmos network, and it's tasked to link other blockchains. Once these links are complete, tokens can be quickly and securely transferred from one zone to another seamlessly. The Cosmos network is composed of three layers. The Tendermint BFT core is the first layer of the network. The Tendermint BFT core is a Byzantine fault-tolerant consensus framework in the Cosmos network. The Tendermint BFT core is responsible for networking functions and for transmitting transactions and consensus-related messages. The Application Blockchain Interface, or ABCI, is the second layer of the Cosmos network. This layer allows for the replication of dApps in a variety of programming languages such as Java, C++, and many more. Cosmos SDK is the third layer of the Cosmos network. The Cosmos SDK application layer of the Cosmos network provides developers with a basic blockchain framework. It reduces complexity by providing the most common blockchain functionality such as governance, tokens, and staking. Developers then add additional desired features by creating plugins. Created blockchains connected to the Cosmos network will enable cross-communication between the blockchains. The cross-communication between blockchains is called Inter-Blockchain Communication, or IBC. Cross-transfer of assets between blockchains while preserving any contractual features they may have. IBC will work best with blockchains that have high finality, such as proof-of-stake blockchains, but can also be made to work with proof-of-work blockchains through the use of peg zones. Peg zones enable the bridging of zones within Cosmos to external chains such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. The use of peg zones can be used to enable interoperability of the Ethereum and Bitcoin blockchains with the Cosmos network. An example of this is Ethermint, which is a Tendermint-based Ethereum network, but its proof-of-work feature is removed, and instead the network works on top of a proof-of-stake consensus. Cosmos uses a proof-of-stake consensus known as delegate proof-of-stake. This organizes the stakers into groups of validators and groups of delegators. The delegators decide which validator will participate in consensus, and the validators work to validate transactions and add new blocks to the blockchain. Rewards are given to validators and delegators in the form of Atom tokens, which is the native token on the Cosmos network. Cosmos's features enables it to solve limitations associated with blockchain technology, such as interoperability with other blockchains and scalability issues. Scalability has been the greatest issue among the world's largest blockchains over the past few years, and none have been able to implement a solution yet that allows them to get anywhere near the scale they need to accommodate mainstream adoption rates. Cosmos enables users to create blockchain applications and enables cross-chain interactions through the Cosmos network. Cosmos is able to solve such limitations, namely due to the use of its Go programming language and multi-layer structure. Cosmos is entering the DeFi space by creating the Gravity DEX, or decentralized exchange, which will serve as an automated market maker with decentralized liquidity providing and CoinSwap functions. The module enables users to create a liquidity pool, make deposits and withdrawals, and request CoinSwaps from the liquidity pool. So how has Cosmos performed on the market? Cosmos is currently the 30th ranked cryptocurrency with a market cap of over $3.6 billion and currently has a circulating supply of over 275 million coins and a potential infinite maximum supply. Atom experienced significant swings in price throughout 2020, whereby it experienced lows of $1.8 and highs of $8.5 per coin. Atom experienced its first substantial surge in price during the 2021 February altcoin season, where its price rose from $9.4 in January and reached a high of $25.19 in mid-February. Atom's price experienced a degree of consolidation between February and early May. In mid-May, Atom reached its all-time high of $29.44 per coin. This all-time high price could have given some Atom investors with over 16x returns. As well as Cosmos Network's impressive fundamental features, it is currently involved in a number of exciting projects. The Binance Chain, which is a token service platform on the decentralized Binance Launchpad, is built on the Cosmos ecosystem. The Binance Chain enables the creation of smart contracts and the staking of BNB tokens. A cash network, the world's first decentralized and open source cloud system, is built on the Cosmos network. A cash network functions as a peer-to-peer super cloud for serverless computing that will provide developers with an open, secure, permissionless marketplace for unused computer cycles. They expect to reduce the cost of cloud computing resources by 90% in comparison with services such as Microsoft Azure, AWS and Google Cloud. The social media and gaming decentralized app blockchain network Loom, which began on the Ethereum blockchain, switched to Cosmos to take advantage of Tendermint technology in its development of highly scalable games and user-facing dApps. Loom has started using the Cosmos network to tackle DeFi and its governing protocol. What are your thoughts on the Cosmos network? What price could Atom reach in 10 years' time? Let us know your views in the comments below. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click on the notification bell. Let us know your views in the comments below. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.